If you're a UK landlord and you need HMRC approved software to submit quarterly income and expense data, then DIY Tax makes that really easy. All you have to do is create an account, choose Landlord for your profile settings, and then select how you want to store your records. If you've got 5 or less rental properties, we would recommend that you key in the data direct to the app because that's quick and easy and it still maintains a full digital record. If, however, you want to keep an offline spreadsheet for your rental properties, then just select the option to download the spreadsheet templates and they'll automatically connect to the DIY Tax app. Make sure you've got your national insurance number to hand so you can connect your DIY Tax app to HMRC. And you'll need to provide details for each of your rental properties so they can be individually identified. Here's a top tip. When you're keying in data directly to the DIY Tax app, you can select regular payments. So let's say you're receiving £1,000 per month rent for a property. Click regular payments and that's it. The monthly amount will automatically be loaded each month until you decide to change it. Here's another top tip. You can use the Take a Photo service to store a copy of the invoices for all your expenses. It means you have a full digital record which you can access at any time. Each quarter, the DIY Tax app will automatically summarise records for your quarterly submissions. You don't submit all individual transactions to HMRC, just a high-level summary. Even if you have, say, 5 rental properties, all that HMRC will receive is the total income and expense information. However, HMRC expect the software you use to maintain individual property and transaction data in case they need to check anything in the future. At the end of the year, you can combine your property records with your other income and expenses so that you can do one combined year-end tax return. And that's it. Tax made easy for landlords.